Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review slash install on 50-inch 613 blonde synthetic wig. This is the Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, 100% hand braided lace wig. It's box braids, it's 50 inches, and it's a 4x4 that you can part it, and basically you can part it within this area right here. I will zoom in for you in a little bit and we will get right into it. So I had to get her. I first saw her in the beauty supply store and she was in a black, and I was like, oh my god, what wig is that? And I looked and the price was like, it was like $170 or $180. And I was like, okay, you know, nowadays synthetic wigs are not how they were before. They are pricier, especially it goes by length and quality and type of lace and parting and etc, etc. But I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna buy it yet. I want to see how much it costs online, because usually, if you know, you know, beauty supply stores usually overcharge for their wigs because I guess that's how they make their money. Online is more affordable, I don't know, but I went online and I found her for, I think it was $100 I paid. I'm not 100% sure, I don't remember, but I'm gonna link it in my description box, but I'm pretty sure I paid like $100. I decided to get her in a 613. This is really reminding me of the time when I did a review on an Amazon braided 613 lace wig, and it low-key kind of went viral. I don't really know what you consider viral, but it was on Twitter and I barely use Twitter, and if I do use Twitter, I'm literally talking to myself most of the time. So I remember being on Twitter and somebody was like, this is her Twitter. So I'm like, why are they tagging me? What are they talking about? And I look and it's like a whole thread, like a video of me and people responding like, this is the weird part of YouTube and blah 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 blah, and just like talking shit and just roasting me, y'all. And I was just like, oh my goodness, like I didn't know it was that deep. I was literally just trying a wig that I liked, that I found, that I saw. I didn't know the back had holes. Obviously I can't see the back, but I saw it when I edited it, and I was like, I'm gonna leave this in because I'm a real ass bitch. We're just gonna get right into installing her. Okay, so right now she's on my head. I put her in like a little clippy thingy to keep it out my face while I do my makeup. And this is how it looks when I put her on my head. Now she has baby hair. She comes with baby hairs all around this perimeter right here, you can see. And the lace, I'm gonna cut the lace and you know, everything like that. But yeah, this is how it's looking when it's not clipped up. It's a lot going on. I don't like the way it falls. I would have to fix it because it just falls like this and it looks like a mop. So I would have to like do something to it. So to install, I'm gonna be using my EBIN tinted lace. And this is in the color medium brown, and I'm going to tint the lace first. So I forgot to say before I tint this lace that she has actually two straps. So she has a strap, a thicker strap towards the back, and then you know it has the basic generic strap that all the synthetic wigs come with. She has two clips in the front. They're really small, which I'm not a big fan of. I like big clips because it, you know, it doesn't hurt when you push it in your hair. So, you know, the bigger clips for me, the better. So I'm not a fan of the little clips, but it has two small clips in the front and it has one large clip in the back. See, it shows you right here. This is the only part where you can, this is the only area where you can part the wig, well, the braids in the wig. This is the only area right here. It's 4x4, which I'm not a fan of either. I wish it was like a 3x6, because then that whole area right there can be kind of like parted, you know, but we only could work with this little area right here. So that's I'm not really a fan of that. Just spray that area right there. So that's all finished. Take my blow dryer and just spray it out. Even though it dries pretty fast, it's not wet. I just want to, you know, add a little air to it. So it's nice snug on my head. So now I'm going to cut this lace child. All right, so I'm gonna pin it up, or pin it back, should I say, pin it back. Okay, take my scissors, but first things first, I want to kind of brush back the baby hairs because it does have baby hairs. So I'm going to brush that back. Okay, I'm going to cut this lace. Lace is cut off. Let's add the glue. But before we add the glue, I'm going to add some of this Garden Grip Primer by ESHA. I just found her. I thought I had no more left, and I found her, and I love this product because it's good to set like the area where you're going to put the glue. It's perfect for that. So I'm just going to push this back. Okay. And this is best to do before you do your makeup. It's best to do this because you want a clean surface, but for filming purposes, I am doing mine with makeup on. Good thing. So I'm gonna spray. Whew. Now that's set. I'm gonna add some Bold Hold Active, one of my favorite lace glues that I'm using. I use so many different lace glues sometimes, but this is one that I've been consistently using. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just kind of cleaning it off. It's kind of dirty, you know. Okay, I'm just gonna add it in the area where I'm going to apply the wig. I'm gonna use the Bold Hold little spatula. I'm trying to clean it, child. The Bold Hold little spatula thing that it comes with, and I kind of just like okay, so it's nice and it's snug on my head. Just make sure I fix the back. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the baby hairs and lay those, and I'm gonna be using my razor comb to do that. And I am going to now use my Edge Fixer by Kiss, and it's in Berry Cherry. It's actually Sweetie's line. It smells really good and I love it. So I'm gonna use that to lay down these edges. Okay, you guys, so this is how far back I can go. I can't show you guys my whole body, but I will say I am 5'2", and this wig comes up to my ankles. So this is how she looks when she's not up or anything like that. And that's what I kind of don't like about it. It's like when you leave it like this, all the braids come inside, like it comes in my face. It's not like, I don't know how to explain it. Then another thing is the braids here, they can move and everything, but the braids back here are kind of like all stuck in one area. So like this is the only area that I can do anything with the braids. So when I part it, it just, I don't know, it just looks super, super thick. Okay, you guys. So that's how it looks from the back. super long. Ooh, knocking stuff down, child. I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm not a huge fan because I love the color, because you guys know I love a 613. The baby hairs came out really good. Installing it was super easy, doesn't lift up or anything. I just don't like the fact that it's a 4x4. I don't like that you can see some of the tracks in certain areas around the front. I don't like that I can't put it up or do like different things with it. Like I can't put it up in a huge bun or anything really cute. Like I have to leave it like this. I would say this is a fun wig to wear to like events or parties or something, you know, because you can party with this and look fabulous with your, you know, 50-inch braids or whatever the case is. But you know, it's limited as far as styling. It's not, like I said, it's not much that you can do when it comes to styling this lace wig. This is my review on the Cloud 9 box braid 50-inch wig. Let me know what you guys think. I love you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.
About you, I just worry about me, so you better run. You don't know what I need.